Hello friends, I am Manish Pandey. Welcome back to this GenAI learning video series. In the previous video, you learned how to build a GenAI text summarizer project. Now, in this video, we are going to take one step ahead and we are going to make some changes in our code as well, and this time we'll build another project called GenAI project email generator. Got it? So let's create a new file. Now you'll be thinking, why do we need to use that? Have you ever struggled to write an email, a professional email, or struggle to reply to client, sending a status update email to your manager, sending a meeting notes to your manager to the team members? I think you'll have faced this one. So sometime what happens, like you know what to send, correct? If your manager asks you to send an email, or they're saying like you need to reply to your to the client, or you want to send an email to your manager asking for the leave request, then you know what to send, but you don't know how to start and what to write and how to basically start there, because that will be a formal email, right? The professional email. So to make a professional email, you might need some help. So what if I'll say that we can create a solution, a GenAI solution, which can help you to create this professional email. So let's see how to do that. So we'll create one Python file here in Visual Studio Code. Let's click on new file and we'll say GenAI underscore email generator dot py, and this is Python file. Okay. Now, as you know that we'll need to start with a from OpenAI import OpenAI. This one. Next, we'll write here client OpenAI, and then we'll say a response, whatever response that we are going to get from the server, we'll store here in the response equal to. Then here I'm going to write client dot, means we are going to take this one. If you're still like struggling in understanding what I'm writing, why I'm writing these things, what is this client equal to OpenAI, what is this from OpenAI import OpenAI, then I would suggest you uh, to to watch my the first and second videos, like uh, the Hello Gen AI project, this one, and text summarizer. That will help you to understand this one. And now we'll say response. I would say write in small responses dot create open close bracket. Then here I will select model equal to. So what model we need to select, that I'm going to take it from here. So model will be I'm going to take here GPT-4o mini, then comma. Now next parameter. So next parameter is my input, that is my prompt, that is my question. So I'll write here write professional email for this topic. So I will say topic will be whatever user will input, correct? And so whatever user will input here, that we need to take it from user and then we'll add it here. So before that, here what I'll do, I'll take here as a topic, one variable topic, so that we'll take it this data, this input from user, and then here I'll say input function, basically the Python input function, and I'm going to say enter topic. This is for email. Next I will take as a tone, like do you want to write, do you want to ask LLM to write a professional email or casual email, like friendly email? So we'll say enter your enter tone, enter tone, correct? And these two things I'll combine here. So here I will replace this professional with this tone, right? Tone. So whatever tone that will be shared by user, that will be entered here in the prompt, and based on that, server will send that response. Now the topics, I'll enter the topic here, that will be input here. Now to make it to write that inside here, we need to also write here F, then only that will work. Okay, so F and then double quotes, write tone email for this topic, and topic will take from input. After that I need to print that, print here, and I'll say response dot output underscore text. Okay, now let's try running that. Okay, we'll enter topic here. I'm going to say request leave for 2 days. In the bracket I'll say 28 and 29 April. I want 2 days leave for 29 to 28 29 April for personal reason. Personal reason. Okay, now enter, and now I'm going to say I want this email that should be professional, because I want to send this to my manager. And then once I'll hit enter, this model, this GPT-4 mini, this model will generate a response, the output, and you see here. Now if you want to just add a next line here, so you can do one thing, you can take a, and here this time you say, and double quotes, you see generated output, something like I will add, and then I'll say slash n, the new line, and before this one, so once we'll say enter tone, after that there will be new line, and then this generated output word will be there, and then next line, and then my response will be generated. Okay, now I'll try running that one more time. I'll delete this and try running one more time. Okay, so I'll say request 2 days leave 28 and 29 April. Okay, for personal reason, enter, and this is my and this time I'm saying casually email. And now you see here, it will add one a blank line space, one line here. You see there's a new line here, and after generated output there is a new line, and then it has generated that complete email, the subject leave request, and then this is the casual email. You see, I hope you are doing well. I am writing to request 2 days off on April this for personal. I'll make sure to all my. So this way you can create a smart email generator which will reply to your email, existing email. I hope you are learning step by step. You are learning here, and very soon we are going to cover the advanced level, the streamlit and everything that will be covered here. And very soon we'll be like creating the advanced level of GenAI projects. If you are really learning this, and if you think that's really helpful, then please like this video and subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet, and hit the bell icon so that you will get the video notification.